I visited Manuel Antonio National Park in Costa Rica in 2017. I got 4 nice close-up videos of birds, which I think is pretty typical. Good place to get some quite nice close views. Maybe partly because it's quite busy, so the birds get a little bit used to having humans around. But there's a limit to that. There wasn't a if you kind of walk right up to a bird, it's going to fly away. But I found that if you were walking on the path, they seem to be used to the idea there'd be humans on the path. So we're going to see first of all a black-hooded Antshrike. Then the second video is of a golden-naped woodpecker. The third video is of a chestnut-backed Antwren. And the fourth video is of a blue-crowned Motmot.